you tired of feeling like a poser? Well, I've got great news for you. My name's Lindsay Ray, and today I'm going to teach you how to grip your own skateboard. So to grip your own skateboard, first you'll need a skateboard, some grip tape, something to scrape that with, and then something to cut it with. So I personally like to use mob grip tape. I just think it's a lot stickier. You don't really have to worry about air bubbles quite as much, and I just think it makes the whole process a little bit easier. All right, so our first step is to get the backing off of our grip tape, but remember, you want to hold on to this backing because it is going to come in handy a little bit later. All right, so next is definitely the most annoying part, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't work the first time. All you're gonna do is lay that grip tape on nice and even, and make sure you cover both ends of the board. Nice and slow, nice and even. Perfect, and then you just take that grip tape cover, lay it back down, and smooth everything out. All right, so once you've got that grip tape on your board, you're gonna take something hard and long, get your mind out of the gutter, and we're gonna scrape along the edge of the entire board. Okay, so as you can see, we now have a great outline of the board, and we're gonna use that to help us guide cut off the... All right, so as you can see, we have a great outline of the board, and we can use that to guide us as we cut off the excess grip tape. So we'll take our razor blade, we will puncture the grip tape just a little bit. So remember, we're using the edge of the skateboard to guide us as we're cutting, and if you're doing it correctly, it should go pretty smoothly. And remember, you always scrape from the top, but you're gonna cut from the bottom. All right, and with a little OFTV magic, we're done cutting. Now remember, you don't have to be super precious with it because we are gonna go ahead and use that excess grip tape to sand around the edges. So fun tip, just take some of that, fold it in half, and we're good to start sanding. All right, and just like that, we have a beautiful, brand new gripped skateboard. Would you look at that? I'm proud of you guys. You did amazing. I had a great time hanging out with you. My name is Lindsay Ray, and I'll see you guys in the next one.